Hi guys, today we are going to record our personal narratives as our way of publishing them with the outside world. So you're going to use this website, vocaroo.com, to record your personal narrative, and then you will download it as an MP3 and we'll share it on Google Classroom so that you can then listen to each other's. You could share it with your parents, your grandparents, your auntie, your uncle, different teachers, old teachers, whoever you'd like to share your personal narrative with. So when you go to vocaroo.com, you will click to record your voice. It will come up with a dialog box saying that you need to allow Adobe Flash Player to access your microphone and your speakers. So click allow, like this. Click allow, and then it instantly starts recording. So you need to be ready straight away to start recording. You need to have your personal narrative in front of you. You need to the first thing you're going to say is your title, and then your name, and then you're going to start reading it. When you've finished your personal narrative, click to stop. You should listen to it just for the first 10 seconds or something to make sure it's recorded. And then it instantly starts recording, so you need to be ready. Stop. And then you click here to save. And you are going to download as MP3. So click here. And then you will click these three dots here and click download. And it will automatically download to your downloads bar at the bottom. And then you can email it to me. So go to your email and compose Miss Parker, my personal narrative, MP3. Oh, let's spell it correctly. Dear Miss Parker, here is my MP3 recording of my personal narrative. Enjoy. Best wishes, Miss Parker. Oh, new line. And then you can drag and drop it onto there. And click send. Et voila. Okay, so that is how to record your personal narrative.